Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share some fascinating space news with you today. We're going to start with the story that's been making headlines in the astronomy community. You might have heard about the new comet that's been visiting our solar system. Comet 3I Atlas, also known as 3I Atlas, has been making its way through our cosmic neighborhood, and scientists are eager to learn more about it. This comet is special because it's an interstellar comet, meaning it originated from outside our solar system. It's been traveling through the vast expanse of space for millions of years, and now it's finally reached our corner of the universe. Scientists are excited to study this comet because it can provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. One of the most interesting things about Comet 3I Atlas is its unique composition. Scientists have detected unusual amounts of metals and dust features that are different from comets that originate from our solar system. This has led to some speculation about the comet's origins and whether it might be a sign of life beyond our planet. However, NASA officials have emphasized that these differences don't suggest that the comet is anything other than a natural object. Tom Statler, NASA's lead scientist for solar system small bodies, compared the comet's unique characteristics to different types of coffee. "It's different, and yet it's still coffee," he said. "In this case, we have a cometary body. It resembles the homegrown comets that we have in our solar system, and yet it's excitingly different in particular ways." Scientists are continuing to study Comet 3I Atlas as it makes its way through our solar system. They're using a variety of spacecraft and telescopes to gather data and learn more about this mysterious visitor. We'll be keeping an eye on this story and bringing you updates as more information becomes available. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're exploring the wonders of the universe, and now we're going to dive into a fascinating story about the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope and its mission to study cosmic voids. These vast expanses of empty space are not just barren regions. They hold secrets to understanding the fundamental components of our universe, including dark energy and dark matter. Imagine being able to map the distribution of galaxies across billions of light years, essentially creating a 3D picture of how these galaxies are arranged in space. The Roman Space Telescope is designed to do just that, with its high-latitude wide-area survey, set to detect and measure tens of thousands of cosmic voids, some as small as 20 million light-years across. But why are these voids so important? Well, since they're relatively empty of matter, voids are regions of space dominated by dark energy. By studying the shapes and distributions of these voids, scientists can put powerful constraints on the nature of dark energy, which is a crucial component in understanding the universe's evolution. To determine the actual 3D shapes of these voids, astronomers will use data from the Roman Space Telescope, including the positions of galaxies in the sky and their cosmological redshift. This process is a bit like trying to infer a cake recipe from the final dessert served to you. You try to put in the right ingredients, such as matter and dark energy, and then check whether your cake looks as it should. The Roman Space Telescope's ability to probe a large volume of the universe and observe fainter and more distant objects will give us a greater understanding of cosmological parameters like dark energy. With its powerful spectroscopic capabilities, Roman will be able to see galaxies that are quite sparse and faint, ultimately giving us a better look at the galaxies that populate voids. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, missions like the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of creation. The secrets hidden in cosmic voids are waiting to be uncovered, and with Roman, we're one step closer to understanding the grand tapestry of space and time. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's dive into a fascinating discovery that's shedding light on the mysteries of star formation. Imagine a newborn star, 15,000 light-years from Earth, firing two plasma jets at once, each stretching across an astonishing 8 light-years, about double the distance from our Sun to its closest neighboring star system, Alpha Centauri. This rare and spectacular sight was captured in stunning detail by NASA's James Webb Space Telescope. Located at the edge of the Milky Way galaxy, inside a nebula known as Sharpless 2284 or SHIS 2284, this young protostar is already an impressive 10 times the mass of our Sun. What makes this discovery so significant is that it's helping scientists resolve a decades-long debate about the origins of massive stellar objects. By studying the protostar and its jets, researchers can refine their models for early stellar activity. The location of SSS 2284 also offers a unique window into the past, as it lacks elements heavier than hydrogen and helium, making it an approximation of a much younger universe. This allows scientists to use this massive star as a laboratory to study what was going on in earlier cosmic history. As astronomer Yu Cheng noted, massive stars, like the one found inside this cluster, have very important influences on the evolution of galaxies. The discovery is also shedding light on the formation mechanism of massive stars in low metallicity environments, supporting the core accretion theory. This theory suggests that a protostar forms through a stable stellar evolution process, with jet excretions flowing out perpendicularly above and below the swirling disk. The symmetry and size of the jet observed in SHIS 2284 validate this prediction, indicating that massive stars can be born through remarkably stable conditions. As we gaze upon this breathtaking image from the James Webb Space Telescope, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the universe. The discovery of this massive newborn star is not only a testament to the power of modern astronomy, but also a reminder of the many secrets still waiting to be uncovered in the cosmos. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.